These two entry-level smartphones are popularly known for their awesome specs and design. Now here, we are going to compare these two and see how these two works with their similarities and differences.
Hello techies! Welcome back to Lee's Tech channel. Alright, so for the past days, been receiving lots of requests for giving comparison of A3s versus Vivo Y91i. So this time, your request will be granted. So we will be having comparison of Vivo Y91i versus Oppo A3s. So I hope you guys will like this video. Without talking too much, let's check this out.
Here we have Oppo A3s versus Vivo Y91i. At first glance, you can really see that both of these smartphones are almost the same in design, even in resolution, but the only difference is Vivo Y91i has water drop design and it has a fingerprint scanner at the back cover, but the rest they're almost the same. Like here in their screen, A3s and Vivo Y91 has the same 6.2-inch screen display, and when it comes to the resolution, Vivo Y91i and Oppo A3s are also the same with 720 by 1520 pixels screen resolution. And now when it comes to their thickness, both of these are also the same, but their difference is Y91i is a bit lighter than A3s since A3s has 168 grams while Y91i has 163.5 grams. Now when it comes to their OS and other features, Oppo A3s runs on Android version 8.1 Oreo operating system, same with Y91i. They're also both powered by octa-core processor with Qualcomm Snapdragon chipset. And now both of these smartphones are again the same when it comes to their internal storage and RAM, since both have 16GB ROM with 2GB of RAM. Now, when it comes to their sensors, A3s has only face unlock, but Y91i has face unlock and fingerprint scanner, which I think is it's different. That's why it is also a bit expensive than A3s. And now, when it comes to their battery capacity, A3s has a 4,230 mAh battery, while Y91 has 4,030 mAh. So obviously, you can see there that A3s has a bit higher battery capacity than Y91i. So to know their battery performance, I tried to do a charging test and draining test. Now here in charging test, I try to charge both smartphones, and you can see in my clips that after 1 hour of charging, Oppo A3s got 26% while Vivo Y91i got 28%. And now after 1 hour and 30 minutes, Oppo A3s got 37%, while Vivo Y91i got 41%. Now, after 2 hours, Oppo A3s got 49%, while Vivo Y91i got 55%. And after 3 hours, Oppo A3s got 71%, while Vivo Y91i got 81%. And now last after 4 hours, Oppo A3s got 91%, while Vivo Y91i got 99%. So as expected, Vivo Y91i charged faster than A3s since it has 4,030 mAh battery while A3s has 4,230 mAh. And now when it comes to training test, I try to play game. And after 15 minutes, you'll see that Vivo Y91i got 98%, while Oppo A3s got 95%. Then after 30 minutes of playing Mobile Legends, you'll see that Vivo Y91i turned down to 94% from 100% of battery life, while Oppo A3s turned down to 89% from its 100% battery life. So when we based it from a test, you see that Vivo Y91i consumed lesser battery life than A3s, even though A3s got a bit higher battery capacity than Vivo Y91i. And now when it comes to speed test, I tried to open few apps like Helix Jump, Lazada, Subway Surf, Mobile Legend, Play Store. And here you can see that in Helix Jump, Vivo Y91i opens a bit faster than Oppo A3s. And in Lazada app, Oppo A3s opens a bit faster than Vivo Y91i. And in Subway Surf, it's Vivo Y91i wins. And now in Mobile Legend, you'll see that Oppo A3s wins. And lastly, in Play Store, you'll see that Vivo Y91i wins. Now, majority Vivo Y91i has a better speed than A3s. So again, it's all up to you guys if what can you say about its speed test. And now let's go directly to their cameras. Okay, so both of these smartphones have the same 13 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear cameras, and they also have the same front cameras, which is 8 megapixel. But then again, let's see if they have difference when it comes to their performances. Okay, so first you can see here my sample shots in rear cameras. From this red flower, you'll see that A3s took clear shot. It's detailed and edgy, while Vivo Y91i is vibrant and it's not that really detailed, but it's beautiful. But now in the next picture, you'll see that A3s here took warmer shot than Y91i. It's greenish, but both took really nice shots here. And now on its video quality, you'll see that A3s has a nicer quality than Vivo Y91i. Now in their front camera shots, you'll see that Vivo Y91i took warmer shot compared to A3s. A3s looks natural, detailed, and clear. But actually both took really nice shots here, especially on their bokeh effects or depth sensors. So it's all up to you guys if which one do you think is greater when it comes to their camera performances. And now when it comes to gaming tests, we try to play PUBG for both smartphones in low settings, and you'll see their difference when it comes to the resolutions. You don't experience lags and the game is smooth. So in other words, both are playable when it comes to this game, but do not expect a much better graphic quality since only low setting is allowed in these phones when playing PUBG. Now when it comes to their prices, Vivo Y91i is a bit expensive than Oppo A3s since it is 7,990 pesos, while A3s is 6,990 pesos. So if you want something that is cheaper, then go for A3s. But if you want something that is cheap but has fingerprint scanner, has good battery performance, then I think you should choose this Vivo Y91i, because based on my tests, you'll see that Vivo Y91i always wins when it comes to its battery testing and speed testing. But overall, both of these smartphones are awesome. You will not regret. Only the storage, of course. So expect for a lesser storage availability. But other than that, these phones are really great. So thank you so much guys for watching and see you again till my next reviews.
There you have it, techies! I hope you liked my video, and by the way, before we end this video, I would like to shout out Andrew Modelo, John Joseph Melendez, Denise Est, Romeo Parohinog, Paps Tibay, and Kevin Gamboa. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe if you haven't. See you again till my next release. Bye!